to be a police station.
And you are the one who infringe on my constitutional right.
Yes. If that's what you call it.
No, my constitution. My constitution give me the right to...
And what does section 14 of the road traffic says?
No law in Jamaica supersede my constitutional right.
Okay.
No law.
Okay. Well, here what?
And it guarantee me safe passage without being searched.
I do agree.
Throughout any part of the country.
See you again after 11 tonight when it's the curfew, because the constitution is supposed to still supersede that. Your constitution.
We're not talking about that right now.
No, is dominant.
We're not talking about that.
What are we talking about?
That's emergency powers right there. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about me, the guarantee that the constitution give me to move freely without being searched.
Okay.
That's a right that I have. And talk to your superior. No law can supersede that. No law.
Okay. Go and do some reading. Have your documents and have a picture. Go and do some reading.